Hey there! Looking to make money online in Pakistan? You're in the right place. Here are some practical and legit methods to get started. Method 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills in graphic design, writing, programming, and more. Method 2. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Start a blog or website and monetize it with affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products to your niche audience and earn a commission on sales. Method 3. Online tutoring. Offer online tutoring services using platforms like Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet. Charge by the hour or session. Method 4. Online surveys. Complete online surveys for companies and get paid for providing feedback. Sign up for survey websites like Swagbucks, Taluna, or Survey Junkie. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.